Brad Barton in the WBAP Weather Center. We have new severe thunderstorm warnings being issued for portions of Denton and Collin counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. Another one, we're in circuit court. Emergency alert system. The National Weather Service issued a storm warning for southeastern Denton County and western Collin County until 9:45. A severe thunderstorm located over Louisville Lake, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for southeastern Denton County and western Collin County until 9:45. A severe thunderstorm is over Louisville Lake, moving east at 10 miles per hour with potential 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and up to quarter-sized hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.